Shit. Because, well, not so much the IMAX, but one's built similar. Breaking off, snapping the that little bolt, the little stainless bolt that goes into the female stainless, because it's such a small diameter compared to the rest of the antenna.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Still got to get some money off Dave for that tip, yeah?
Has he picked it up yet or not?
Yeah, he picked it up. He said he was going to try it, yeah? And see if it's all working good.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, look, I think the A99 are a little bit more better that way. I've pulled mine down and had a look. There's no dramas with it. I've had it for about 3 years. Seems like the IMAXs fail really quickly, yeah? Or they just deteriorate quick.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, mine's still up, but that one I got off Shane, the top section, the fiberglass, that very top section that bends a hell of a lot. Because it flexes so much, the fiberglass was starting to splinter off. That's why when I got that, I fixed that up and glued it all back down and gave her a coat of clear lacquer over the top of it.
Yeah, Roger. You know what you could have really done? You could have just got get a long piece of heat shrink, yeah?
Yeah, that's right. You could have done that as well. Slide some heat shrink down and do it, yeah.